Alright, got my watch going for this. So, this is my presentation on why I should be a mod on Xavier's Twitch stream. It's by Win Williams. So yeah, let's get on with it. How do I, okay. Because look, Xavier. This needs to look. It's went away. No, it didn't. I'm gonna go on. When I sneeze, I'm gonna sneeze. Alright, look. Wait. I swear. Fuck. Xavier, you're a pretty cool guy. Let's get to the facts. You have a Twitch stream, that means you're cool. And look, you're cool, but you're not. You're not this cool. You don't have the little thing in your teeth, right? That's not you yet. But look, this could be you if you let me be mod on your Twitch. Right? We all know. When you're watching a Twitch stream, you say something in chat, you see that little green sword, you're like, damn, that's a cool person. Right? That's like, they are flexing on us. They have that little green sword. So, what I'm saying is, like, look, it'd be really cool of you. Because then you'd be making other people cool, shows you're a nice person, you know, makes you cool. Yeah. Okay. I'm actually trying to get low on this, like low-key, but, okay. Elephant in the room. I'm not a mod because I banned Nathan. Right? Look. Okay, accidents happen. We all make accidents. I was an accident. Roland was an accident. Kevin was more than an accident, probably. He's pretty weird, not gonna lie. He likes to make TikToks. That was a really bad joke. My bad. So we all have accidents. Mostly, they're forgiven. Right? They happen. Like, I banned Nathan. It was an accident. I got confused with a ban and timeout button. But look, okay, honestly though, they should not make those two buttons, like, as close as they are. Like, they look like the same in that, like, what? Like, when you're looking at it from the mod view, it's hard to tell which one is which. I'm not gonna lie. But, like, I promise I'll get better and I'll learn. Because I need practice to figure out how to do that. Alright. Right? Like, yeah. I've got my camera. But did I mention this is my yeah counter. But, look how ugly this looks. That was an accident. That wasn't helping my case. But, okay, Twitch either needs to step up their game with these buttons, or I need practice. Wait, I think shit. Oh, I'm gonna add 3 sneezes onto the counter because I can. This is my third analytical point. Right, so to support my third analytical point, I have my first piece of evidence, which is my first piece of evidence. And so here's the context of my first period evidence. And here's some commentary on my first period evidence and a little bit more supporting data, that kind of stuff. Here's my second piece of evidence. Once again, commentary on it, some data on it, context, all that good stuff. And then I was debating having a third piece of evidence or not. I didn't know I have enough words for that though. So, like, if I had enough words, I was gonna do a third. But if I didn't, I wasn't gonna have it. But like, I'd also have commentary, context, analysis, data, all that good stuff. This is my image for this one, and it really backs it up really well, I think. But so Xavier, look, this is my conclusion. Yeah. This is my conclusion. Look, make me a mod. We're friends. We're amigos. We're Jay chillin'. Right. I think I'm sick, or maybe I just have allergies and I didn't know. But yeah, make me a mod, please. And then the gift doesn't work, so you have to visit the site. I already have it up. We're gonna watch it like 3 times, so we need to get to 5 minutes. And cool beans.